Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm presenting to you with my natural hair, and that's because we are going to be trying out a very simple and easy hair. Today's video we are going to be featuring Likable hair. Likable hair is an hair brand that produces 100% human hair, and when you receive their hair package, you're going to see this cute little handout in there. The handout is going to tell you all the things you need to do and all you need not to do to your hair in order to maintain it. And then they also have this beautiful bond that you can use in styling your hair. And of course, there's an eyelash in there to beautify yourself. And then here comes the star of the show. This hair is so lush, and you can see the color, very beautiful. So this is actually a clip-in. Unlike the other hairs I've been wearing, this is actually an hair that you can just install on you, and when you're back you will just remove it, and that is it. It is a clip-in and it is one that is very versatile. So I started off by making sure that I section my hair into how I wanted the hair to be sectioned. I want it to be a center part, so I just remove a small portion that I'm going to be using to layer the hair, which you guys are going to be seeing. And after that, I secured the other remaining of my hair at the back. You can choose to do this hair however you want. Your hair can be braided, and then you just take it, open the clip and clip it in your hair. One thing I was so unsure about was if I clip this on my hair, whether it was going to pull out or not. But after I was done, I pulled it and I saw that it was well secured. So when you are putting this on your hair, you don't even have to bother about it. Is it going to fall off or is it not going to fall off? That is the beauty about this hair. All you just need to do is make sure that it is well secure, like you secure it very well to your natural hair, and that is it. You are good to go. So for this particular hair, I'm using 2 bundles. If you want 2 bundles, is actually enough for you to make a very full hair. But if you want yours to be more fuller, then you can go for 3 bundles. But 2 bundles is actually very good. I continued by making sure that I just fixed in the clip into my hair and secured it very well. If you are alone just like myself, it is something that you can do because I did this all by myself. But if you need the help of somebody, you can always get somebody to help you clip that in. But then this is something you can do alone. So even though you are alone, you stay alone, or there is no one around, it is something that you can always do for yourself. Very seamless, very simple. This was me already feeling myself, and this was what one pack of hair was looking like on my head already. So I proceeded to using the second pack of the hair. And the good thing about this clipping is that they actually have different textures. This particular one is the wavy type. If you go on their website, you're going to see that they have the kinky version of this hair. So if you have a kinky hair and you want your hair to actually blend with the human hair, you can go for that. If you want the straight one too, you can actually go for that, but I wanted the wavy, and that is why I went for this. So the link of this hair is going to be in the description, so you can log on to their website and check for other styles that they have and pick the one that best suits your personality and your style. But for me, this was what I was going for, so I kept on using the clip to just secure it. I did it continually till I was sure that it was well covered. And this was the clip. This was me trying to just show you guys how the clip was. I get the clip, I clip it to my hair, and then I press it down. It is very easy and very simple to use. And that was what I kept on doing till I secured it, covered everywhere I wanted it to cover. And after that was done, I just brought down my natural hair that I already packed up. So you need to make sure that you remove a part of your natural hair. Your natural hair should be on top of the hair, just so that it is going to give it that natural and flawless look. And here is me also using my mousse to make sure that I blend it. I blend my own natural hair into this particular hair. So you might want to do the same You need to do this if you want your finishing to be very nice and very flawless. After that was done, I tried to comb everything. I made sure everything was perfect, and this is what it was giving. You can see how flawless it is. The front is so natural. No one is going to know that this is not my hair actually. And then I also use this my hairband to just secure it, and this was what I was having. So flawless, so beautiful. And this was me trying to feel myself, because I did not expect this to be as flawless and as beautiful as this came out. And this is the back, so perfect. So this is definitely something you want to try. And here is me trying to give it another look, another fitting, another style. And I used this and it came out so perfectly. So if you want to change your style, you want to be looking different, you don't want to be wearing all your regular wigs that you've always have, this is the perfect hair. Check in my description box for more.